Hi, this is iPhone Punker, and I want to talk to you about creating ringtones for the iPhone. Apparently, there's a way of getting your ringtones without having to go through programs and building the ringtone and all that. And you get download them for free, fast, and safe. And I use it all the time now. They're pretty good ringtones. They're built for the Nokia 95 or whatever it is. Don't usually use Nokia, but you can port them for the iPhone very easily. So I'm just gonna minimize this and go on this website, and this here, it's called zedge.com, zedge.com, and just search for that. Go into the first one here, and this is what should come up. And if you are a Nokia 95 user, here's all your themes and all that crap, but we have no interest in that because we are iPhone users. And you go to downloads, ringtones, and here's the ringtones. Yep. Any category you want I will go for entertainment, see what's in there. Right. Let's see. Pirates of the Caribbean, nope. The Exorcist, just play them first. So you can, just to check if it's what you need or what you want. And I'm using a little broadband stick, so it won't be as fast as most other people's broadband, but just bear with me. Okay. Come on, play. Play. Okay. Well, anyway, it plays, so it does, and if you like the song, I know what The Exorcist sounds like, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get that downloaded. Right. That's The Exorcist theme song. Right. You can play it again if you want, just to make sure, but I just download that. Click on Start Download. Right. Should come up with that. Press OK. I think it's probably the recorder that I have, the recorder's probably making it pretty slow, screen recorder. So it's downloading now. It's probably a pretty big file, so it is. I know it's only a couple of kilobytes, not that much. Yep, here we go. It's almost done. Right. Clear list. Oh yeah, plus all these are going to be linked. This website will have a link on the description, so it will on the right side. Okay, just close this, minimize that. As you may see, here it is right here, and just I'm gonna copy or cut my ringtone collection. I already have a few ringtones that I have already put on my phone. Right, click, put it straight here. Now you can hear it. Just pause that. Right, go to Get Info, Options, tick these two boxes, tick the two of them. Okay. Pause if I'm going too fast for you. Okay. Press OK. Go there. Go right click again. Create an AAC version, and that should, yep, it does a little bing thing, and then that's done. Right. If you just click on create yoke, it's still not going to work. So what you're going to have to do is go to Show in Windows Explorer, and that's what you should see here. And then you'll see that it begins with an M4 or an A, M4A, or at the end of it. Go to that, or sorry, change name to put an or at the end instead of the A, and that just converts to ringtone. Press yes. If you don't see this, you should go to what was it again? Going to set program, I think. Nope, sorry. 2 seconds. If it would close down. Oh yeah, just to tell you, this is Windows XP. Just to tell you. Works with Vista also. Go to where is it? Folder options. Go to View, and right here you should have hide extension for known file types. You have to untick that so it doesn't hide any of the extra stuff, so you can see the M4 or M4A. Then you double click, select, or change the name, and just change that from A to an or. Make this so detailed that you just can't fuck it up. Okay, and yeah, okay, close that. I should have showed you that earlier, but what the hell. Right, Exodus theme has the or done. Right, now what you do is just delete these two, because if you don't delete them, they will go into your list. And wrong one. And just take that, drag it over to the library. Don't drag it in here, drag it to the library, and let go. Then if you look in your ringtones, or if you didn't have a ringtone, usually with the iTunes you don't have actually a ringtone library, but as soon as you drag it over to the library, the ringtones will just appear. The ringtone library appears, which that's probably why. But there it is, Exodus theme song, and as you may hear, okay. And then you go to your iPhone. Just click on your iPhone. Then go to ringtones, and I select all, and sign apps with your phone. And this should take a couple of seconds, so it should, yep, see it's putting all the ringtones that I've just done, and that's done. So it is. And right, that's basically how you do it. It's as easy as that. Now the links will be in the right if you need them, and happy days, you can get free ringtones instead of going to iTunes. Right, time to pack away this, and I will be posting more numerous videos now, so I will be, because I'm back online. Right, I'll talk to you. Bye.